Hello there, my name is Valerie White-Williams, and today I am talking about perfectionism and YouTube. So this is something that I have struggled with a lot on my YouTube journey. I started my channel over 12 years ago, and I've been through the ringer as far as being perfect. Now, I know there's a lot of people that want to create a YouTube channel and they're waiting till they perfect everything. And I'll be honest, you're never going to perfect everything. And here's the deal. Number two, you don't have to be perfect to start your YouTube channel. In fact, what I recommend everybody do is just get started. So all you really need to do is a good camera. And I really suggest you get good light. Now, if you have good natural lighting, you're gold. But I live in the Northwest and I can't count on that. So I have a ring light, and ring lights have really come down in prices. There's all kinds of those. So really, that's all you really need. You just need a nice light and a camera and you're good to go. And a lot of the ring lights will have a little thing that you can put your phone in. So it's really easy. You attach that to the ring light and then you can film. In fact, I need to get a new phone. I don't really use my phone because I have an iPhone 6, but when I get my new phone, I'll probably use that as well, because the phones and the cameras on the phones are really outstanding. Now, the thing about YouTube is you want to just start, and you're going to be making videos, and as you go, you're going to learn more. That's like everybody does. You don't have to be this huge, amazing, all the pieces in place YouTuber to get started. Because if you have an idea for your channel, because that's the first thing, you want to have an idea, and you want to have an idea of what kind of content you want to make. And also we want to think about what kind of people will be interested in your content, because that's the other piece of the puzzle. Is you're going to be more successful if you're really going to do some inside out thinking about allowing people to see what kind of content is going to attract them. And so you have to do a little searching in that. What kind of people want your content? Now, once you know what kind of content that to make for the people that are searching for your content, then it makes it a lot easier to create topics for those people. And right now, you don't have to be perfect. If you're giving out great information, that's all that matters. I know. Because I know there's a lot of YouTubers that have all kinds of bops and whistles and changing scenes and all this stuff. But really, it really depends on what we call your niche. Your niche may not care about all that stuff. They want to hear what you have to say. They want to hear the solutions that you're giving to them. So that's the way you need to start. And to be honest, I have all of my videos from the very beginning on YouTube. You can see them for yourself. Vocal Splendor Studios, that's my main channel. And when I first started, I had a really old camcorder. I couldn't even see myself. I looked really awkward, but there it is. And guess what? I got better. I kept making videos, and I kept making them and editing them and learning more. Because here's the thing about YouTube, there's so much you need to learn. It's not just making videos, it's editing videos, it's understanding SEO, it's understanding how to make great thumbnails, it's understanding how to add all the tags and find the keywords and all that stuff. Okay, that's a lot, okay? Lots of stuff to get into on YouTube. But the way you start is you just start. Make some videos and don't destroy them, because here's the thing, everybody hates how they look on camera. Everybody thinks they look stupid. Everybody thinks they say dumb things. This is normal. We all feel that way. But if you're giving great content, that's what matters. It's really about the content and your subscribers and what kind of people they are and what they're looking for. It's like a marriage. It's like dating. You're creating content. They're looking for content. It's a win-win. And so when you start making videos, just make them. And here's the other thing about YouTube. The more videos you make, the more YouTube will promote your videos. So it really makes sense. Don't hem and haw and wait and destroy and do it again. Just make videos and put them out there. And that's also you're gonna find out what your audience is interested in. because YouTube has these analytics and it will actually show you which videos are more popular, which ones resonate with your audience more, which ones are more successful, how your thumbnails are. There's so much research that you can find in your analytics. And so you might as well just get started and realize that your first videos aren't going to be the greatest. Well, you might strike gold and be lucky, but typically you just got to start making videos and you're going to improve as you go along, and just be okay that it's not going to be perfect. Because I'll tell you, first of all, there is no perfect. There is no perfect on YouTube. It's never going to be perfect, ever, ever, ever. There's always going to be things that you're like, oopsie, this happened. Editing, oh, oops, things. Sometimes you can fix things in editing, but it's never going to be perfect. And you know what? YouTube isn't meant for that. This is not TV. This is people speaking to people and sharing information. So you just need to get that information out. And if you need to, close your eyes and hold your nose. If you don't like what you look or sound like, get that information out to help those people. Okay, yes. And so let me know, have you struggled with perfectionism? I know I have. And I've actually took a year off my channel, like a year and a half. So I'll talk about that some other time. But yes, I certainly have struggled with that as well. Okay, and also I want to let you know that I have a free group called YouTube Success Strategies, and I do a lot of coaching in that group, and it's a Facebook group, and you can find all the information in the description. All right, talk to you later. Bye.